Your sales rep just finished a call with a prospect. Normally, they'd spend 10 minutes updating the CRM with notes, next steps, contact details, you know the drill. But what if the CRM had already done all of that while they were still on the call? We're watching the death of manual data entry, and it's happening faster than most people realize. Self-updating CRMs are here, and they're changing everything about how teams actually work. Traditional CRMs were like empty filing cabinets. Useful, sure, but only if someone bothered to fill them. Today's smart CRMs, like HubSpot, are more like intelligent assistants that listen, learn, and update themselves. Every phone call gets transcribed and analyzed. Every email interaction gets logged and categorized. Every website visit gets tracked and put into context. Your CRM isn't just storing data anymore, it's actively gathering intelligence about your customers and prospects. But here's what this really means for your team. Your sales reps can focus on selling instead of data entry. Your marketers get real-time insights instead of outdated reports. Your customer service team has complete context for every interaction. The smart properties and automated enrichment aren't just nice to haves anymore, they're becoming competitive necessities. Look, the question isn't whether self-updating CRMs will become standard, it's how quickly you can adopt them before your competitors do. Every day that you wait is another day your team is doing work that could have been automated. How much time does your team spend on data entry every week? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more insights on productivity game changers like this, hit subscribe. Happy HubSpotting.